think it's pretty safe to say that this is by far the largest digital graffiti project ever made. What is really powerful is that we've taken artists that are usually painting on the street and festivals and highlight them in a place like MGM Cotai, which is like this incredible setting with like 25 LED screens, and not many artists get a chance to be in a place like that. MGM Cotai was for the longest time trying to do a graffiti project in these LED screens, but it wasn't until the Canadian Trade Commission introduced us to them that they found actually the right people to do it.
我今次都盡量將我由最初心玩 graffiti 去到而家呢一刻嘅一啲感覺，去盡量呈現俾大家睇最真實 graffiti 嘅一面咯。project 對我嚟講咧係除咗對我自己本人嚟講，亦都對本地一個圖畫文化嚟講係一個好正面嘅一個即係有影響力嘅活動啦。因為一直以嚟好多人對於graffiti 係有存在一啲誤解嘅，佢係透過一班人而唔係一個人嘅努力而係進行嘅創作咯。
When I met PAVG, I immediately felt like he was the one that needed to be part of this project. Like the amount of work he produces in Macau and how much involvement he has with the culture and the city is incredible. What's really unique about the technology that we have developed is that we can actually separate the layers. So we were able to record PAVG's paint layer and then apply it into a completely new background. In this case, it was the city itself. Something that was really important to me was to make sure that every component and every person that worked on this project understood graffiti and lived graffiti in some way. Ron is a graffiti writer, so he actually understands how actually the paint goes on the walls. So he was a key component of the project to make sure everything was animated accordingly and respectfully of the art.
As a graffiti artist, I've been doing it for 27 years. I really wanted to keep it very authentic and true to the form, but doing it in a fresh way too, Put motion into graffiti, which usually that's not the case, when you see a graffiti on the street, it's just a still. So that was kind of like the special part of this project, is how can we tell a story with animation.
A really fun part of the project was actually to bring a vinyl toy to life. A lot of graffiti writers also design vinyl toys, and when I met Felipe and Annie from Nativo, it also felt right to bring them into the project to create a custom character.
For us to actually see the final result in the lobby for the first time, it was very, very special for us. We were really, really blown away by the end result.
This is something special for us to share this inspiration that we hope that people can learn how to embrace a culture that is so creative and self-expressive.
For me, graffiti kind of like opened the doors to being creative and to be artistic and to be daring and to do things that are different from what other people are doing. And I think like by presenting this project to the world and just like capturing the culture and the local artists and the architecture and putting them in a place that is kind of unexpected. Like not many people would actually think of putting graffiti on MGM Cotai, and we got to do it, so it's pretty amazing.